Did you know that the golden liquid sizzling in your pan right now could be a silent assassin, slowly destroying your health from within? We are not just talking about weight gain. We are witnessing a deep destruction occurring at the microscopic level of your very own DNA cells. 7 common cooking oils you trust daily are releasing toxic compounds that launch a direct assault on your precious brain and vital heart functions. Modern science reveals that these vegetable oils are silently ruining your health, creating inflammation that most doctors often overlook until it is far too late. As these oils heat up, they transform into chemical weapons, narrowing your arteries and starving your vital organs of the oxygen they desperately need. Every meal prepared with these fats adds another layer of risk, building a foundation for chronic diseases that could have been easily avoided with knowledge. It is time to pull back the curtain on the industrial oil industry and understand the horror hiding in your kitchen cabinet right now. Let us examine the hard evidence from the world's leading universities to see exactly how these common fats turn into deadly poisons when heated. Peer-reviewed studies from prestigious institutions like Harvard and Oxford have sounded the alarm on the chemical instability of polyunsaturated fatty acids in our diet. When exposed to heat, the fragile molecular chains of omega-6 fats begin to fracture, undergoing a process known as lipid peroxidation that creates chaos. This reaction produces aldehydes, which are potent neurotoxins that can easily bypass your body's natural defenses to damage your most sensitive neural tissues. These toxic compounds trigger systemic inflammation, a hidden fire that burns through your cells and degrades your health day by day, year after year. At the deepest level, your DNA is being compromised, leading to mutations and cellular malfunctions that lay the groundwork for long-term degenerative conditions. For the elderly, this chemical assault is particularly dangerous, as it accelerates memory loss and cognitive decline by poisoning the brain's delicate environment. Your cardiovascular system bears the brunt of this damage, as oxidized fats turn into the sticky sludge that eventually causes life-threatening arterial blockages. The chemistry is undeniable. Once these oils reach high temperatures, they are no longer food, but a cocktail of reactive and destructive chemical species. Understanding lipid peroxidation is the first step in realizing why your choice of cooking oil is perhaps the most important health decision you make. We are surrounded by these sated killers every time we walk through a supermarket, hidden behind bright labels and deceptive health claims of many kinds. It is time to name the culprits. Let us identify the 4 most common industrial oils that you must remove from your kitchen immediately for safety. Number 1 and 2 on our blacklist are soybean and corn oils, the twin pillars of the modern processed food industry and restaurant cooking. These oils are loaded with excessive amounts of omega-6 fatty acids, creating a massive nutritional imbalance that drives chronic inflammation throughout your entire body. You will find them in 90% of processed foods, hidden in everything from your favorite salad dressings to the snacks your children eat daily. Next is cottonseed oil, a byproduct of the textile industry that was never originally intended for human consumption until clever marketing changed its fate. To extract oil from these seeds, manufacturers often use harsh chemical solvents like hexane, leaving behind trace residues that you eventually ingest during meals. Then there is canola oil, frequently marketed as heart-healthy, yet it undergoes an intensive refining process involving high heat and deodorizing chemicals to be edible. When you see the word refined on a label, it is a code for a product that has been chemically bleached and stripped of all nutrients. The high levels of unstable fats in these 4 oils act like a slow-burning fuse, leading toward eventual heart failure and severe metabolic dysfunction over time. Eliminating these industrial seed oils is the single most effective change you can make to lower your systemic inflammation and protect your long-term health. But the danger does not stop with these 4. There are 3 more hidden sinners lurking in health food stores that might surprise you. Sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, and rice bran oil are often touted as premium alternatives, yet they harbor the same hidden dangers as their cheaper cousins. Their high smoke points are a marketing trap, leading people to believe they are safe for high-heat frying when they are actually extremely chemically unstable. At high temperatures, sunflower and grapeseed oils can produce 20 times the amount of toxic aldehydes permitted by the World Health Organization's safety standards. Do not be fooled by the light taste or the fancy packaging. These oils are concentrated sources of reactive fats that target your brain's health. Interestingly, how we store our other foods matters too. For instance, keeping bread in the freezer instead of the fridge prevents starch degradation and mold. However, for oils, heat and light are the ultimate enemies. Storing your oil next to a hot stove or in direct sunlight is a recipe for disaster. Sunlight triggers a rapid breakdown of the oil's molecular structure, turning even a fresh bottle into a rancid, toxic mess before you even open it. Rancid oil doesn't just taste bad. It is actively poisonous, introducing massive amounts of free radicals into your body that attack your cellular walls. Always store your cooking fats in a cool, dark cupboard far away from the oven. This simple habit can prevent the formation of dangerous carcinogens. The most terrifying aspect of these oils is their ability to cross the blood-brain barrier and interfere with your delicate neural communication pathways. Studies from Stanford University show that oxidized lipid compounds cause neurotoxicity, leading to the physical shrinking of brain cells and the loss of memory. This process is a primary driver for the development of Alzheimer's and other forms of dementia, as the brain becomes clogged with metabolic waste products. It is not just about old age. These toxins can cause brain fog and focus issues in people of all ages who consume these oils regularly. In the heart, these oxidized fats act like sandpaper on the arterial walls, creating micro tears that the body tries to patch with dangerous cholesterol plaques. This is not just a theory. It is a scientific reality proven at the genetic level. Your diet is literally rewriting the instructions for your cell's survival. By continuing to use these 7 oils, you are essentially inviting a Trojan horse into your biological system to wreak havoc from the inside out. But there is a path to healing. You can take control of your health today by switching to oils that protect rather than destroy your body. The gold standard is extra virgin olive oil. Rich in polyphenols and monounsaturated fats, it acts as a powerful shield against inflammation and brain decay. Research from the University of Idaho confirms that high-quality olive oil is surprisingly stable and provides essential antioxidants that help repair damaged arterial linings. For high-heat cooking and frying, avocado oil is your best friend. It has one of the highest smoke points in nature and remains chemically stable under fire. Here is a pro tip for your kitchen. Store your sliced avocado with a piece of onion to prevent it from turning brown through natural chemical inhibition. When shopping, always look for cold-pressed or expeller-pressed oils in dark glass bottles. This ensures the nutrients haven't been killed by industrial heat. By making this one simple switch, you are providing your brain and heart with the clean fuel they need to function at their peak performance levels. Your body has an incredible capacity to heal once you stop the daily chemical assault. Within weeks, your inflammation markers will begin to drop significantly. Lessen your reliance on processed foods and take back your power by cooking with traditional fats that have sustained human health for many thousands of years. Your cells will thank you. Your mind will become sharper. Your energy levels will stabilize, and your heart will beat with newfound strength and resilience. This isn't just about a diet. It's about a lifestyle dedicated to longevity and the preservation of your most precious asset, your cognitive function. Protecting your brain today means you will be there to share your stories and love with your grandchildren for many decades yet to come. Choose wisely, cook with care, and never compromise on the quality of the fats that build the very structure of your being and your life. Your health is truly in your hands. Now that you know the truth, what will be the first bottle you replace in your kitchen cabinet today? Please share this video with your loved ones. You might just save a family member from a future of chronic illness and unnecessary cognitive suffering. Tell us in the comments below, which oils are you currently using? And have you noticed any changes in how you feel lately? Let us learn together. Stay strong, stay informed, And always remember that every small choice you make at the grocery store echoes throughout your entire biological future and well-being. Thank you for watching. May you be healthy in every cell of your body. We will see you in the next video for more life-saving health insights. Take a deep breath and commit to your journey. Your body is a temple, and you are the gatekeeper of what enters its sacred halls. Nature provides everything we need to thrive. We just need to return to its wisdom and reject the industrial poisons of the modern age. Your kitchen should be a place of healing and nourishment, not a source of hidden toxicity and long-term biological damage to your loved ones. Every healthy meal is a victory. Every bottle of toxic oil discarded is a step toward a brighter, more vibrant future for you and your family. Let us protect the next generation by teaching them the value of real food and the dangers of industrial shortcuts that cost us our health. Knowledge is power, and now you have the power to change your destiny. Use it wisely and share the light with everyone you know today. Keep your heart strong and your mind sharp. The journey to true health starts with a single informed choice in your very own kitchen today. Be the guardian of your own well-being. Don't let the silent killers hide in plain sight any longer. Take action now for a better tomorrow. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep pursuing the truth about what it means to truly live a long and vibrant life.